ODE BimNV SDK is a standalone toolkit for the import, visualization and creation of Navisworks files. There are three main file formats used by Navisworks: NWC, NWD and NWF. Those formats integrate various projects in various file formats into a single file. In addition to geometry and properties, a Navisworks file may contain clash results, annotation, sectioning, and so on. A lot of work was done to optimize memory consumption and file processing time on different stages of the file processing. For loading, we introduced partial loading, multi-threaded loading, and direct file reading without buffering for single-threaded mode. For the visualization of Navisworks files, we implemented partial viewing with memory limit options that allows the user to set a memory consumption limit. This year, we added support for red lines, timeliner, plotting geometry, and point cloud data. Navisworks files allow appending different red line types to the saved viewpoints for the model review. BimNV SDK supports all types of redline data in models. Users can open a Navisworks file with redlines in ODE Viewer and select Import Saved Viewpoints property in the Import dialog. When the file loads, users will be able to choose the markup menu and select viewpoints with needed redlines. Navisworks files are often used for time and cost estimations. To enable this functionality, in BimNV, we recently introduced timeliner support. The timeliner tool enables you to link a model to an external construction schedule for visual time and cost-based planning. In addition, timeliner data may be exported in CSV in exactly the same way as Navisworks itself. NW files can contain 3D or 2D geometry data. 2D data are generally used to represent drawings and sections and internally look like the data for the plotters. Such files are generated when users import DWF, PDF, and other 2D data. BimNV SDK supports 2D files and provides access to the geometry data. Users can visualize this data with ODE Viewer and learn how to convert plot geometry to the visualized data types. BimNV can save any format supported by ODE to NWD with a full hierarchical model structure. ODE Visualize Toolkit can combine models of different formats in single scene. Now we can export such combined visualized scenes to NWD files, so users have a tool to create their own federated models and to save the result to NWD for further processing, or to convert any format to NWD through Visualize.